In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to record your voice while screen recording on iPad. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. To screen record on any iPad model and make sure that your voice is recorded as well, you need to enable your microphone when you go over to the screen recording options. So swipe down from the top and you will find the control center where the screen recording tool should be available. If you have never used screen recording before, then you have to add it. So you can tap on this plus sign here to add new tools to the control center, or you can go over to the settings. Of course, if you already have the screen recording app, then you can skip ahead in this video. But for the people who don't, go into the settings, tap the control center, and in here you will find the option to add the screen recording to your control center. Once you have done this and the screen recording has been added, and you swipe down from the top, you will find it here. To record your microphone, what you have to do is tap and hold on this button. So if you do a single tap on this icon, it is going to begin recording right away. But if you tap and hold, then you will see the option to enable or disable the microphone. So to access this menu, tap and hold on the screen recording button. And with this done, you can now toggle the microphone on. With this done, go ahead and start recording. It's as simple as this. Then you can talk into your microphone, recording a game, recording a presentation, whatever it is that you are doing on your iPad. And once you are satisfied, swipe down from the top and tap the button once more. If you see the button with this white background and red icon, it means that it is currently recording. And if you tap it again, the recording will be stopped. After you stop the recording, you will get a notification telling you that it was saved. And if you tap on the notification or you access your photos, you will find the recording here. The microphone will be included, assuming that you enabled it by tapping and holding on the screen recording button. I hope I was able to help you on how to record your voice while screen recording on iPad. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.